Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem. Solution: 64 by 8 plus square root of 63 in whole square root. Now 64 by 8 plus square root of 63, we are going to multiply by 8 minus square root of 63 and divide by the same 8 minus square root of 63 in whole square root. Now 64 times 8 minus square root of 63 by, this can be written as 8 plus square root of 63 times 8 minus square root of 63 in whole square root. Now we are going to apply this algebra formula, that is a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. This formula we are going to apply here in denominator. So 64 times 8 minus square root of 63 by 8 square minus square root of 63 square in whole square root. Now 64 times 8 minus square root of 63 by 8 square is 64 minus this square and square root to cancel each other. Now we have 63 in whole square root. Now 64 times 8 minus square root of 63 by 64 minus 63 is 1 in the denominator in whole square root. Now 64 times 8 minus square root of 63 in numerator. Now this can be written as square root of a times b equal to square root of a times square root of b. This we are going to apply here. So we'll get 64 in square root times square root of 8 minus square root of 63. Now 64 square root is 8 times square root of 8 minus square root of 63. Now we are going to multiply this by 1 times of 8 minus square root of 63. Now 1 can be written as 2 by 2. So 8 times 2 by 2, 8 minus square root of 63 in square root. Now this can be written as 8 times 2 times of 8 minus square root of 63 by 2 in whole square root. 8 times of 2 times 8 is 16 minus 2 times of square root of 63 by 2 whole square root. Now 8 times of square root of this 16 can be written as 9 plus 7 minus 2 the square root of this 63 can be written as 9 times of 7 by 2. Now we are going to apply this formula that is a equal to square root of a square. Also square root of ab equal to square root of a times square root of b. These formulas we are going to apply here. So 8 times of square root of 3 square plus this 7 can be applied this formula. So square root of 7 square minus 2. We are going to apply this square root formula here. So square root of 9 times square root of 7 by 2. Now 8 times of square root of 3 square plus square root of 7 square minus 2. This square root of 9 is 3 times square root of 7 by 2. Now we are going to apply here algebra formula that a square plus b square minus 2 times of ab equal to a minus b whole square. This formula we are going to apply here. So 8 times of 3 minus square root of 7 whole square by 2 in whole square root. Now we are going to apply this formula that a by b whole square root can be written as square root of a by square root of b. So 8 times of 3 minus square root of 7 whole square in square root by 2 in square root. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now this 8 can be written as 4 times 2 times 3 minus square root of 7 by square root of 2. Now 4 times of 2 times of 3 minus square root of 7 by square root of 2. Now this 2 can be written as 2 equal to square root of 2 square, which is square root of 2 times square root of 2. So we are going to replace with square root of 2 square root of 2. So 4 times of square root of 2 times square root of 2 open bracket 3 minus square root of 7 by square root of 2. Now the square root of 2 cancels this. So we have 4 times of square root of 2 times 3 minus square root of 7. Now we are going to multiply the square root of 2 inside the bracket. So 3 times of square root of 2 minus square root of 7 times of square root of 2. Now we know this formula, that is square root of a times square root of b equal to square root of ab. So we are going to apply this here. So 4 times of 3 square root of 2 minus this square root of 7 times of 2. So 4 times of 3 square root of 2 minus square root of 7 times of 2 is square root of 14. This is the final answer. Thanks for watching this video.